The snake plant is the strong, silent type in our plant collection. It asks for very little and stands guard in the corner of our rooms. But even the toughest plants whisper when they need help. The problem is, they don't speak our language. So today, we're going to learn how to understand their secret signals.
The most common and most confusing signal is the yellow leaf. This is your plant sending a mixed message because it can mean I'm drowning or I'm thirsty. Here's how to translate.
Gently feel the base of the yellowing stem. If it feels soft, a little squishy, and the soil is damp, the message is clear. Overwatering. You're showing too much love. It's time to back off with the watering can.
But if the yellow is more uniform, the leaf feels dry, and the soil is bone dry, the message is different. Thirst is just a polite request for a good deep drink.
This next signal is much clearer. When you see the leaves start to get a little wrinkly, like fabric, the plant isn't trying to be mysterious. This is a very direct message. My water reserves are low. Think of it as the fuel light in your car coming on. The fix is simple. Give it a thorough watering and let it refuel.
What about those crispy brown tips? This isn't a cry for help. It's more of a minor complaint. It's your plant saying, the air is a bit too dry, or the water you're giving me is a little harsh. You can't fix the brown part, but you can start using filtered water to see if it makes the plant happier. It's a small issue, so don't lose sleep over it.
And finally, the one signal you can't ignore, a leaf that loses its strength and just flops over from the middle. This isn't a whisker, this is an alarm bell. It almost always means the problem isn't in the leaf, but much deeper, at the roots. This is a sign of advanced root rot. This is when you need to take action, and for that, our root rot rescue video is your complete guide.
And there you have it. Now you know how to translate your snake plant's secret signals. With this final lesson, our snake plant masterclass is officially complete. Has this guide helped you solve a mystery? Let me know in the comments, and a thumbs up is always appreciated. Make sure you're subscribed for our next series. For everything else, you know what to do. Just leave it to me.